Ang dalawang bagay ang dapat ginagawa nila ngayon na hindi nila magawa na sinasabi na ginagawa ni Senate President Soto, no? Number one is to study the rules. Yung rules of procedure. Meron sila meron namang ano dyan Second is to shut up. yun ang hindi nila magawa Kasi wag na sila magsalita kasi the moment, at least ngayon pwede pa, no? Pero the moment na maging senator judges na sila, they should be more like judges rather than senators. Kasi ang rule dyan is you just don't have to be impartial, but you have to appear impartial. So yun dapat ang dalawang ginagawa na nila ngayon is paghandaan yung rules, kailangan very adept sila dyan, and also to shut up, to just stay silent about this matter. So that hindi nagkakaroon ng mga kuro-kuro or
Pero paano
or
yung
hindi mababawasan yung public trust on the process.
paano yung appear impartial? Para ngayon pa lang po pinapakita na nila yung kulay nila.
Yun na nga Alam mo, Heidi, that goes to really how poor the quality or how poor the quality of our lawmakers are Kasi very basic lang naman to sinasabi ko, Heidi. Hindi ito, Pastor, hindi ito sophisticated legal principles. These are very basic legal principles na dapat lahat ng mga public officials natin alam. The fact na hindi nila magawa yon, they cannot control themselves. Talagang sinasabi lang sa atin na mababang klase talaga silang mga public officials. Yung kalidad nila ay wala sa level nila Salonga, nila Pimentel, nila Fernan, nila Miriam Defensor Santiago. Wala sila sa level na yun. Yun na nakakalungkot.